Would you believe me if I told you there's a simple and quick way to make $100? Yes, there is, and you won't have to do anything because I've made it quite simple. This method is particularly for people who are new to undertaking online business. The best part is that you don't have to spend any money because this is completely free and you can do it from anywhere on the planet. Yes, you heard correctly, you can earn money right now, wherever you are, using this brand new approach that I'll show you in today's video. Everyone who has attempted this approach has already made a lot of money, and I want that to happen to you as well, which is why I strongly advise you to watch this video all the way to the end. So you'll know how to do it, and you don't have to worry because I'll walk you through it step by step. I'll show you how to implement this method properly and earn a lot of money later in a step-by-step guide. Now I'll attempt to keep this video brief so you can start earning money right away. So, the first thing you need to do is go to pexels.com. This is a website where you can get copyright-free photos to download. Pexels is a free stock photo and video website and app that lets designers, bloggers, and anybody else seeking visuals find fantastic photographs and movies to download and use them for free. If you enjoy a photo or video on Pexels, you can download it for free. Now I want you to look for black and white photographs, which you can do by going to the search box and typing black and white photo, then pressing enter. When you scroll down below, you'll notice that they have a large number of free black and white photographs to download. I want you to pick any and download it. We'll be using these photographs in the future to generate money online, and I'll show you how to do it, so stay tuned. The next step is to visit the website colorize.com. Basically, Colorize is a technology that uses artificial intelligence to turn black and white photographs into colored photos. Colorize.com is an AI-powered photo colorizer that streamlines the colorize drop process. Colorize.com uses artificial intelligence and deep learning to colorize old photos 100% automatically. Colorize black and white photos, and yellowish or gray images in seconds with the AI photo colorizer. It's actually rather simple to use this tool, as you can see here. To colorize a photo with this program, you simply need to follow 3 simple steps. You must first prepare your digital black and white photograph, then upload it, and then download the colorized photograph for free. That's pretty cool, huh? I'll now demonstrate how to use this tool because we'll be using it to make money later. Okay, on the front page of this website, there will be a box where you may add your photo. Select the black and white photo you wish to colorize by clicking on it. You can use Pexels to download photographs and then upload them here. After uploading your photo, it will take a few seconds for their AI to colorize it, and you will now have a fully colorful photo from the previously described black and white shot. This photo can be downloaded for free by just clicking on the download button to save the colorized image to your computer. You can accomplish this with your phone if you don't have access to a PC or laptop, so you can still use this AI tool. I'll show you how to use this free tool to make money. So please keep watching the video and don't skip any parts. Now I'll show you the website where you can make money using this program I described previously. Fiverr.com is the name of the website. I know many of you are already acquainted with this website, but for those who aren't, it's an online marketplace for freelancers. Here, freelancers can market their skills to customers all around the world. To begin, go to the search box and enter in colorize photo, then press the search button. After that, you'll be able to see all of the people that are selling this type of service, and you'll notice that the prices range from $5 to $25. All they do is use the website I mentioned previously to colorize photos. You may do this type of work as well, and you won't have to break a sweat because colorize.com will take care of everything for you. You may simply submit a black and white photo, and the colorize.com AI program will take care of the rest. Isn't it incredible? Now, in order to make money on Fiverr, you must first register an account, which you can do by clicking on Become a Seller right here. Then you'll want to head over to this page, is where you may sign up as a seller for nothing, as signing up on this website is completely free. All you have to do now is fill out the required information and click Continue. After that, you can begin selling your services on Fiverr. How easy is that? This way you can make tons of cash in no time by basically doing nothing. By following these simple steps, you can easily create a passive income stream for yourself. With money in your hands, you can do anything you wish for without feeling guilty. So hurry up and register now. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.